Good morning. Today we will discuss the board questions of chapter 2, chemical bonding. So let us start from the 2008. So all of you please take your book and just to go through the questions. That page number 36, 2008. First question. What is given? State which is not a characteristics of an electrovalent compound, means some points are given and that you have to find out that does not belong to the electrovalent compound. So it is given that conducts electricity when molten, it is correct. Then high melting point, that is also correct. Consists of positively charged ions, that is also correct. Ionizes when dissolved in water, that is wrong. This ionic compound go through the electrolytic dissociation, but it is given ionizes. So that one is wrong, and that is your correct answer, that ionize when dissolved in water. When dissolved in water. This is your correct answer. Then it is asked that state why CCl4 is non-electrolyte. So this CCl4 does not ionize. It is non-polar covalent compound, and it is consist of molecules, and it is consist of molecules. You can say that CCl4, it is a non-polar covalent compound. It contains only molecules. It does not ionize. So that's why it is non-electrolyte. So now the second question. Second question, what is given? State the term defined in each case. So 2 points are given, A and B. Such questions are very important. Means full definition will be given. You have to find out that what is the correct term. So state the term defined in each case. A bond formed is shared pair of electrons. Each bonding atom contribute 1 electron to the pair. So this will be single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Then second term. Second, it is asked a bond formed by a shared pair of electrons with both electrons coming from the same atom. So this is coordinate form. Coordinate bond. So this 2008 is over. Now 2009. First question, just to see what is given. The one which is composed of all the 3 kinds of bond. This question is very common and asked many times in board paper, that a compound which contains all the 3 types of the bond. So I want to tell you ammonium chloride. So when this question first time came, and after that this question repeated many times in board paper. So the one which is composed of all the 3 kinds of bond, ionic, covalent and coordinate, is sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon tetrachloride, and D. D is the ammonium chloride. So D is the correct answer. Correct answer is ammonium chloride. In the last video I have shown you how this ammonium chloride, that all the 3 types of the bonds are there. So just you see this ammonium chloride structure. In ammonium chloride, here this is the structure of ammonium chloride. So here between ammonium and chloride, ionic bond is there. This one is coordinate and these three are the covalent. So this compound contains all the three types of the bond. Now the second question, select the right answer from the choices covalent, ionic, covalent, coordinate for each of the following. Means what type of the bonding is there. So first one is given that sodium chloride. So I want to tell you, in sodium chloride ionic bond, in sodium chloride ionic bond, ammonium ion, this one is given ammonium ion. You have seen that covalent and coordinate, covalent and coordinate, covalent and coordinate. And third one is given that carbon tetrachloride. Please, just you see, one correction is that 2009 we have done that the one which is composed of all the three kind of the bond, that you got the answer ammonium chloride. And 2009 second question is there, draw the structural formula. Draw the structural formula of carbon tetrachloride and state the type of the bond. This question is left here. So you have to draw the structure, means electron dot diagram of this CCl4 and type of the bond here covalent. Now 2010. That left. First question, 2010, state the correct answer ABCD. Metal loses electron during ionization. This change is called oxidation. This change is called oxidation. And now the second one, select the right answer. That what type of the bonding is there? Sodium chloride, you have written the ionic, ammonium ion, covalent and coordinate, and carbon tetrachloride is CCl4. So CCl4 covalent. So just you see, it is asked here also 2009 and 2010. It means this CCl4 is very important. So up to the 2010 is over. Now 2011. We are going to take next 2011. So this we have seen board questions. So it is very necessary that you have to solve the board question. By solving the board question, you can develop the confidence and you can get the idea how the questions will be asked in the board paper. So that's why it is very necessary that you have to do the practice for the board questions. Now 2011 first question. Just to go through your book, what is given. First one is given, in covalent compound the bond is formed due to sharing. This first one is sharing of electrons, and the second one is electrovalent compounds have low or high boiling points. So your answer will be there, high. Now the third one is a molecule contains triple bond. So here nitrogen. So this 2011 first question is over. Now the second question. Second one is given, draw an electron dot diagram showing the lone pair effect of formation of ammonium ion. So this ammonium ion, you have to show the formation. So this ammonia combined with H plus ion form ammonium ion. So first you take the electron dot diagram of ammonia. This nitrogen has the 5 electron, hydrogen 1. So now all are completing the octet. This hydrogen, it is coming to form the bond. This lone pair will be converted into a bond pair. So now this Now all are completing the octet. After this one, you can draw like this. If you forget to put the positive sign, they will not give you mark. So in the question what is asked to you, 2011, second question, draw an electron dot diagram showing lone pair effect of the formation of ammonium ion. So this is the lone pair. This is the lone pair electron. This lone pair is converted in coordinate form. Now third one, what is asked to you? Third one is asked 2011 that give region hydrogen quiet can be termed as a polar covalent compound. So how can you say that HCl is a polar covalent compound? Polar covalent compound. So you can say that this covalent bond is formed between two different atoms. Shared pair of electron is unequally distributed and charge separation takes place. So in this one, covalent bond is formed. Covalent bond is formed between two different atoms. Shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron is unequally distributed. Unequally distributed. Third point, charge separation takes place. Charge separation takes place. So that way you can answer, they will give you mark. These 2 points are necessary, I have given you 3 points. Minimum 2 points you can make. So there is no chance to cut the mark. Now 2011 is over. Next one is 2012. So now we are going to take board questions at 2012. First question, 2012. Draw an electron dot diagram of the structure of hydronium ion and state the type of bond present here. So in hydronium ion, in H3O plus, two type of the bonds are there, covalent and coordinate bond. And the structure of this one, this is skeleton structure, water combined with H plus ion form hydronium ion. So draw the electron dot diagram of water molecule. This water molecule, two lone pair electrons are there. Then H plus is coming. Combined with this water molecule, this by this way the positive charge is developed. So that will become coordinate bond, and these two are the covalent. So by this way you are getting the hydronium ion 2012. Now the second one, there are three elements. This is the second question. Three elements E, F, G. Their atomic numbers are given. E, F, G. Their atomic numbers are 19, 8, 7. Sorry, not 7, 17. 19, 8, 17 respectively. Give the molecular formula of the compound formed between E and G and state the type of the bond. So formula between E and G and the type of the bond. So just you write the electronic configuration. 2881, 287. So they are asking the formula. So first of all, you calculate the valency. Valency of E is E plus and G1 minus. So the formula will be there. E1 plus 1 minus. Then cross will be there. It will be easy. What type of the bond will be there? The bond will be ionic. Electrode. So such question you can solve like this only. First you write the electronic configuration, then you write the valency, and for writing the formula you know. First you write electropositive then electronegative. If any valency is common, you remove the common then cross the valencies. So by this way you can get the formula. So this is the 2012 second question. Now 2013. Next one is 2013. We are going to take 2012 is over. 2013. Now 2013. First question. Just you see what is given. 2013 that a chemical term, a bond formed by the shared pair of electron with both electrons coming from the same atom. So this is the coordinate bond. This is coordinate bond. In the book it is printed coordinate covalent bond, but I suggest you write only coordinate bond. Then 2013, first one is over. Among the compounds, identify the compound that has all the three types bond, ionic, covalent and coordinate. So this also you know, very common question is there. Second B, that ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. This compound contains all the three types of the bond. Then 2013, this second question is over. Then third one. What is asked? State which is not a typical property of an ionic compound. High melting point, conduct electricity in molten state, are insoluble in water. So you know that all the ionic compounds are soluble, so that does not belong. So this is the correct answer, that C, are insoluble in water. Are insoluble in water. Now fourth one. Compare the carbon tetrachloride and sodium chloride regarding their solubility in water and electrical conductivity. So CCl4 and sodium chloride, 2 points, solubility in water, and the second point, electrical conductivity. So solubility in water, that just you see this CCl4 is non-polar and water is polar, so it is insoluble, and sodium chloride is ionic compound, so it is soluble in water. CCl4 being non-polar, insoluble in water. Sodium chloride being ionic compound, here you can write being non-polar compound. Being ionic compound, soluble in water. Then electrical conductivity. So CCl4 is a non-polar covalent compound. It does not ionize. It contains only molecule. That's why it is non-conductor of electricity. So CCl4 is non-polar covalent compound. It does not ionize. It does not ionize. It contains only molecules, hence it is non-conductor of electricity. Now the sodium chloride in the molten state or in aqueous solution state, if you take, they contain the free ions, so that's why they are conductor. So molten sodium chloride or aqueous solution of sodium chloride contains free ions, hence it is conductor of electricity. But if you take solid sodium chloride, it will be non-conductor because ions are not free to move. So that you have seen that 2013, all the 4 questions are over. Now 2014, next one is the 2014. It is very necessary to solve the board questions. By solving the board questions, you can get the perfection. So if you don't solve, you will lose it. So 2013 over. Now 2014. 2014, first question. Compound X consists of molecule. X will have crystalline hard structure, low melting and boiling point, and ionic bond, a strong force of attraction between its molecule. So this B will be there. This consists of molecules, it means covalent compound is there. So low MP and BP. So B, low MP and BP. And the second one, the molecule which contains a triple bond is nitrogen is there. D. Nitrogen contains triple bond. Now the third, give word phrase for the formation of ions from molecule. Ionization, very important. Ionization. Then fourth one, give reason why covalent compound exists. Gases, liquid or short solid, because molecules are held by weak van der Waals forces. Molecules are held by weak van der Waals forces. Weak van der Waals forces. Now 2015. Bond in which involve coordinate bonding. So D is the answer. D, ammonium chloride. In this one, coordinate bond is there. Then give scientific reason. Carbon tetrachloride does not conduct electricity. So this CCl4 is non-polar covalent compound. It does not ionize. it contains only molecule and it is non-electrolyte. The coming chapter we will study is non. So CCl4 does not conduct electricity because it is non-polar covalent compound. It does not ionize. It contains only molecules. Now 2015, that the second you have seen. The third one, explain the bonding in methane molecule using electron dot diagram. So this methane molecule is very simple. Carbon, 4 electrons are there. Hydrogen, 1 electron. So they will share this carbon. Now all the hydrogen atoms are completing the duplet. Just to see, all the hydrogen atoms are completing the duplet and carbon atom is completing the octet. So 2015, third question. Now the fourth question. Fourth question, what is asked? An element here consists of molecule. What type of the bonding is present? That covalent will be there. Covalent. Because molecules are there, so covalent. Now the second one. When air heated with iron, it forms a compound FeL. What chemical term would you use to describe the change undergone L? So this is asked that Fe heated with L, this will form FeL. This only na. 2015, L is consist of molecules. So you can write FeL. L is consist of molecules. When L is heated with iron, it forms a compound FeL. What chemical term would you use to describe the change undergone L? So just you see, this is balanced form. So this iron 0 plus, if you this FeL, and valency they have not mentioned here. So just you keep in your mind that here 0 is there and then here negative is there. It means L is going under reduction or L is reduced. L is going through reduction. Going through reduction. Or another way, L is reduced. That only they are asking. What is that? So now this 2015 is over. 2016. Next one, we are going to take 2016. 2016. Fill in the blanks from the choices that electrovalent compounds have low or high melting point. So your answer will be there, high. Now the second question, 2016, element WX, YZ have the electronic configurations that W is given. W is 281, then X is given 287, then Y is given 2, 5, and Z is given 1. What type of the bond is formed between, this first question asked, type of the bond formed between A, W and X. So just to see, W is the metal, this is metal, that is non-metal, this also non-metal, this also non-metal. So in the combining, if one is metal and one is non-metal, ionic will be there. So W is metal and X is non-metal. So the bond will be ionic. This 2016. Then it is asked that B, Y and Z. Y and Z. So just to see Y, non-metal, this also non-metal, covalent. Then what is the formula of the compound? This is the second part. They are asking the formula. X and Z. X and Z formula, and then X and Z, W and X formula they are asking. So just you see, X is here and Z is here. So this Z is +1 and X is -1. So formula will be ZX. First electropositive and electronegative. W and X, W +1 and X -1. This will be WX. If you write XW, they will not give you mark because the rule is there. First electropositive, then electronegative. So 2016. Now third one, draw the electron dot diagram of the formation of ammonium ion. So in this one, ammonium ion formation you have to show. It's very simple. Ammonia combined with H plus ion form ammonium ion. So electron dot diagram, nitrogen, these 5 electrons are there. Here 3 hydrogen atoms form covalent bond, and this H plus. So this H plus is coming with nitrogen, forming this. That one is coordinate bond. This one is covalent. This one is covalent, and this positive charge will be developed in the whole molecule. So after this, what you will get? So by this way, you are getting the structure. So 2016 over, now 2017. We are going to take now 2017. So 2016 you have seen. Now 2017. First question. Fill in the blanks. The compound that does not have a lone pair of electrons. So in this one is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4 is there. Means the meaning is that central atom does not contain lone pair of electrons, not the chlorine atom. So second one, that state which of the following a common characteristics of covalent compounds that consist of molecule. That consist of molecules. Now the third one is 2017. State the type of bonding in the following molecules: water and calcium oxide. So water and calcium oxide water covalent and calcium oxide ionic will be 2017. Then fourth one, draw the electron dot diagram to show the formation of methane and magnesium chloride. Fourth one, methane and magnesium chloride, two compounds are there. Electron dot diagram. So just you see, for methane, carbon 2 4, hydrogen 1, this carbon 4 electrons, hydrogen 1 electron. So this carbon share for 4 pair of electrons with 4 different hydrogen atoms. So this will form by this way. This just to see, duplet of hydrogen is complete, this hydrogen duplet is complete, duplet is complete, duplet is complete, and for this carbon oxide is complete. So this is the structure of CH4 methane. Now magnesium chloride, just to see, this magnesium 282 is there, 2 dot you can put, chlorine 287, 2 chlorine atoms are there, 7 dot you can put. In magnesium chloride the bond will be ionic will be there. So since 7 valence electrons are there, 7 dots are put here. Then 1 is transferred here, 1 electron is transferred there. So by transferring 2 electron, magnesium will get 2 positive and chlorine will get 1 negative, because getting 1 extra electron, 288. But since 2 atoms are there, so we can write here 2. Now it will be MgCl2. So 2017 over. Now 2018. Next we are going to discuss 2018. Now the first question of 2018, just to see what is given. Give one word or the phrase, the process of formation of ion from molecules which are not in the ionic state. So this ionization is also very important question. Ionization, very time asked in board paper. Now the second one, 2018, second one, give a reason for ionic compounds have high melting points, because ions are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Ions are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Force of attraction. Strong electrostatic force of attraction. So that's why the melting point is high. 2018. Now the third one. Fill in the blanks with the correct choices in the bracket. Ionic or electrovalent compounds conduct electricity in their. What is given? That ionic or electrovalent compounds do not conduct electricity in their state, that solid. In solid state, they will not conduct the electricity. Now the fourth one is that state the meaning. Lone pair of electrons, draw the electron dot diagram of hydronium ion. So the pair of electrons which are not involved in sharing, the pair of electrons which are not involved in sharing with any other atoms. and hydronium ion formation. So this H2O combined with H plus, just you see, this is very important. Alternatively they are asking. So that's why you can do the practice for this hydronium, ammonium and hydronium ion. Alternatively they are asking. So it is easy to draw the structure. Many times you have seen, and I hope that now you are expert in that structure. So this way you can complete this structure. Don't forget to put the positive sign, otherwise they will not give the mark. So now this positive sign. So 2018 over. Now 2019 and 2020, 2-year modes. So 2019. First question. Give appropriate term the covalent bond in which the electrons are shared equally between combining atoms. So this will be non-polar covalent. Non-polar covalent bond. Now the second one, 2019. Second one, draw the electron dot structure. Nitrogen molecule, sodium chloride, ammonium ion. Nitrogen molecule. Second one, what is asked? Nitrogen, sodium chloride and ammonium ion. Second one is sodium chloride and third one is ammonium ion. It is very simple, just you see. Nitrogen electronic configuration is 2,5. So it needs 3 electrons. So 3 electrons you draw this side. Another nitrogen atom, draw the 3 electrons this side. For this one, right, this one is left. So these 6 electrons will be common. And now it is completing the octet. It is also completing the atom. So this will become now this sodium chloride, this sodium you know that 281, atomic number 11 is there, 1 valence electron, chlorine 287, 7 valence electron. So this 1 electron is transferred here. This will form Na plus 28 plus chlorine negative 288. Now this will become NaC. Then ammonium ion just you see NH3 plus H plus form NH4 plus. So this ammonia you can draw the electron dot diagram. Ammonia, nitrogen, 5 electrons are there. Now this H plus, this lone pair is converted in a bond pair, coordinate bond. In the coordinate bond condition is there. The octet of one atom is complete, but other atom is incomplete. So this will form. This is the structure of ammonium ion. So this one is coordinate bond, and last these 3 bonds, then covalent bonds. So this 2019 over, now 2020. So 2020 first one. What is asked? Choose the correct answer from the options. A compound with low boiling point is that all are the ionic D, carbon tetrachloride. This CCl4. Now the second one is that if one word or the phrase, the chemical bond formed by the shared pair of electrons, the chemical bond formed by the shared pair of electrons, each bonding atom contribute one electron. So this is single covalent bond. This one is single covalent bond. Now the third one, fill in the blanks. The choices: the polar covalent compound in the gaseous state does not conduct electricity. That ammonia is there. So, ammonia. Now fourth one is draw the electron dot diagram of the following compounds: that calcium oxide, chlorine and water molecule. First one is given calcium oxide, second one is given that chlorine molecule, and third one is given water molecule. So electron dot diagram, ionic bond is there. Calcium 2882, 2 dots. Oxygen 266 electrons. So 2 electrons will be transferred. So this will form Ca 2 positive, oxygen 2 negative. So this is 28828. Now it becomes CaO. In Cl2 molecule, chlorine, then chlorine 287 is there. 7 electrons, 1 electron will be shared. So right side of this structure, another chlorine, 7 electrons. Then this electron will be shared. So this octet is complete. So now this water, oxygen 26, hydrogen 1. So oxygen 2 electrons will be shared. This side one hydrogen atom, this side one hydrogen atom. So this will become oxygen. Duplet is complete, octet is complete. So this water molecule. So here we had completed this 2020 board questions. So rest unit test paper is there that we will take in next video. So these answers you can note down in your chemistry